I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate.
Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign, and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.